Hey there, iPhone enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips, tricks, and tutorials to unlock the full potential of your Apple devices. In today's video, we're diving into a fundamental skill every iPhone user should have: taking screenshots. But hold on, we won't just stop at the basics. We'll also reveal how to send this screenshot to a friend or loved one. From editing and annotating your screenshots to quickly sharing them with others, we'll walk you through it all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest iPhone tips and tricks. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into how to screenshot on your iPhone. First things first, let's open up the image or text you wish to capture. Now locate the buttons you'll need to press simultaneously. On most iPhone models, including the iPhone X and later, press and hold the side button, also known as the sleep-wake button, on the right side of your device. Step 2. While still holding the side button, quickly press the volume up button on the left side of your iPhone. This combination of buttons is what triggers the screenshot. When done correctly, you'll see a quick flash on the screen, indicating that the screenshot has been successfully captured. You may also hear a camera shutter sound if your device's sound is enabled. Now let's send this to one of our friends. Tap the image preview in the bottom left corner, press the upper arrow in corner, and choose Contact to send the information to. Then select a contact and hit send. And there you have it. You've successfully mastered the art of taking screenshots on your iPhone. Now go ahead, get creative, and capture those unforgettable moments with ease. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Until next time, happy screenshotting.